In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add a clickable overlay to your videos so people can click directly on your video and go to your site. It's a form of advertising. First of all, log into your YouTube account, and then over where your username is, click on the arrow beside it and go to Account. Now, at the bottom, click Advertising, and then roll down, and right where it says Promoted Videos here, click on that. Okay, and then if you don't have an AdWords account, you're going to have to set one up and a Google account. If you already have a Google account with AdWords, you can sign into ads at youtube.com right there. Okay, so we'll sign in. Okay, and then you'll come into this area here. You'll be asked to set a daily budget, and then you can set up a promotion. After you've set your daily budget, and you can set up your first promotion. Okay, so it'll bring up a list of your videos. So pick the one you want to advertise on, click Next and agree. Okay, and then you can write your promotion here. These are just the lines that you're going to see over here beside the video. Okay, and then you can play the video on your channel page here if you want. Down here, just pick your thumbnail. Click Next. Okay, here you want to enter your list of keywords or key phrases, or you can use the tool over here. Okay, so we enter our keywords, click Add to List, and when you're all done with keywords, click Next. Okay, here you need to set your cost per click. Set this to 1 cent. Click Next. And then click OK, run my promotion. Okay, now what you want to do is pause this campaign. Okay, and then click on it. Okay, now you'll see over on the right here it says Call to Action. Edit the video to add an overlay. Okay, so what you do down here now is you add in the headline, descriptions, and the URL that you want to display, and the destination URL, and if you have image URL, you could put it in there. It has to be 56 by 56. Okay, and then down here, set to today's date, and if you want, you can put your map location on here. Click Save Changes, and you now have an overlay on your video. So if you click here, View on Video page, there is your overlay, and that's a clickable overlay, so people can click directly on your video and go to the site you want to direct them to.